Today we'll be looking at commission under percentages. In our previous lectures, we talked about profits and loss, and we talked about discounts. So let's say a question on commission and how to solve this type of question. Now, the first question here says, a girl whose monthly salary is 96,000 naira is given a commission of 4% on every item she sells. If in the month of November 2025, she sold 5 radios at 25,000 naira each, 10 microphones at 18,000 naira each, 4 loudspeakers at 100,000 naira each, and 6 televisions at 800,000 naira each. Calculate a take-home pay for that month. Okay, if you want to solve a question like this, there are 2 ways you can actually do that. Since you were told that she's given a commission of 4% on every item she sells, you can calculate the commission separately for each of the items, and then later you calculate what the total of commission. Or better still, you can calculate the cost of the total items that she sold for that month, then find out what the commission is on the total sum. And that is the approach I'm going to use for this question. Whether I use this approach or the former one I talked about, you are still going to arrive at the same answer. So, the monthly salary is 96,000. She's given a commission of 4% on every item she sells. First, the monthly salary. Monthly salary is 96,000 naira. And the commission is what, 4%? Percentage of commission is 4, that's 4%. So now, on every item she sells, if in the month of November 2025, she sold 5 radios at 25,000 naira each. So now find the total cost of 5 of radios. Total for the radios will be 5 times 25,000. That gives us 125,000. That's the cost of the radio. Then 10 microphones at 18,000 naira. Ten microphones. So we have a total for 10 microphones. Total for 10 microphones, that will be 10 times 18,000. That will be 108. That will be 108,000 naira. Then 4 loudspeakers at 100,000 naira each. So we have a total for the loudspeakers. Total for the speakers. $100,000 each. That will be 4 times 100,000. That will give us 400,000 naira. Four loudspeakers, 100,000 naira each. And 6 televisions at 800,000 naira each. So I have the total for television. Total for the television. That will be 6 times 800,000. That will be 6 times 800,000. So I have a okay. I have 4.8 million. 4.8 million naira. Now I say calculate a take-home pay for that month. So the next thing I need to calculate now, is the total sales. The total sales. The total sales Okay. The total says now. Total says that will now be 125,000 plus 180,000 naira it's 180,000 plus 400,000 plus 4.8 million. So we add that. That's what that gives. So that will give 5,505,000. Okay. So the next thing I need to calculate now is what? The commission. I'll calculate the commission. Commission will be 4% of sales. And that will be 4/100 times 5 points. So 5,505,000 over 1. We do that. This one cancels. So we get 4 times 55050. To multiply that, get 220,200. 220,200. So that is the commission. So now the monthly salary is what? 96,000. The monthly salary is 96,000. So our take home pay will be commission plus the monthly salary. Commission plus monthly salary. And that will be 220,200 plus 96,000 So a take-home pay becomes 316,200. So all you need to do is just to calculate the commission. Either I calculate it for each of the item, or you find the total cost of the item. Once you're able to obtain the total cost of the item, find the commission on the total cost, which is what we did, and then add the commission to the monthly salary. That will give what is called the take-home pay. Take-home pay is the amount the person will be paid at the end of that particular month. And that comprises of the normal salary plus the commission. Okay? So that is what you need to know for commission. Watch out for our next lectures on percentages. And that will be increase and decrease. I'll see you in our next class.